Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you bread pakoda recipe. Gram flour 2 cups. Carom seeds off teaspoon. Salt off teaspoon. Baking soda 1/4 teaspoon. Mix well. Pour water in batches and mix well. Prepare medium-thin consistency batter. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Boiled potatoes. Smash the boiled potatoes. Oil 2 tablespoons. Jeera 1/4 teaspoon. Coriander seeds 1/4 teaspoon. Green chili 1 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 1/4 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Red chili powder off teaspoon. Coriander powder and garam masala off teaspoon. Mix well. Now add the smashed potatoes. Mix well. Salt off teaspoon. Mix well. Add few coriander leaves. Now turn off the flame and keep aside. Take few bread slices. Apply the potato masala on the bread. Cover it with another bread slice. Make all the bread pieces like this. Cut them like this. Heat the oil. Once again mix the batter. Now dip the bread pieces in the batter. Now deep fry the bread pieces on medium flame. Take into a plate. Fry the other bread pieces. Ready to serve. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more cooking videos.